In today's video, I'm gonna teach you how to duplicate sections on Wix, a skill that can be incredibly useful for maintaining consistency and saving time in your website design process. Whether you're working on a single page site or managing multiple pages, duplicating sections can streamline your workflow by ensuring uniformity across your layout. To begin, you'll first need to navigate to the Wix homepage. Simply log into your account from your preferred browser and locate the specific site you want to edit from your dashboard. Once you're on the home page, the next step is to click on Edit Site. This will take you directly into the Wix editor where we'll do all the magic. Now that you're in the Wix editor, it's time to select the section you want to duplicate. Carefully scroll through your page until you locate the desired section. When you found it, click on it. You should notice a boundary or a selection box around the section, ensuring that it's been selected correctly. If you're working with multiple layers or overlapping elements, double check that you've selected the right one. With your section selected, you're ready to duplicate it. Right-click on the section. A contextual menu will appear with several options tailored to web editing tasks. In this menu, look for the duplicate option and click on it. This action will create an exact copy of the selected section, which will usually appear right below the original. This is perfect for quickly replicating content or maintaining a consistent page flow. If you're looking for an alternative method or want to duplicate your section in another part of the page, you can opt to use the copy-paste method. Once again, right-click on the section you've chosen, but this time select Copy from the menu. After copying, scroll to the location where you'd like the new duplicate section to appear, right-click in that area and choose Paste. This gives you flexibility in placing the duplicated section elsewhere on your page. Duplication might seem simple at first glance, but it's a powerful feature that can tremendously enhance your efficiency and creativity with Wix. Whether you're designing a new page layout, building a site from scratch, or updating existing content, mastering this technique can truly streamline your process. That wraps up our tutorial on how to duplicate sections on Wix. I hope you found these steps straightforward and easy to follow. Implement these methods in your projects to save time and maintain a consistent design aesthetic across your Wix site. If you have any questions or run into any issues, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy designing with Wix!